Hey folks, this is Wesley, billion dollar virgin. Guess what? Okay, this is for the broke people. Okay, maybe you who wants to make money online. I got a new technique for you. Okay, and as a matter of fact, here, listen close here. Okay, we're talking about $900. Okay, right now if you're broke. Listen, this is very simple. You can do this if you're a broke teenager. This is great for people who don't have a job right now. I'm gonna go step by step. I'm gonna show you how it's done. You see this right here? This is a balance of $4,000 right now. That's my username, billionaire. That's my ID. Okay, and I'm going to request a payment because that's 4 G's. Now listen, it's very simple to do. I've just did this in the last month here, and I'm going to go step by step and show you what you need to do to make the money. Now listen, let me share something with you, okay? Let me turn this camera around here. I know this is a little bit weird here. You got to believe that you can do this, okay? You got to believe that you can make money online right now. There's hundreds of ways to make money online, but the average person, the reason why they fail online or with any business, because you don't believe that you can do this. And I'm telling you, I'm not that smart, okay? It seems like I'm smart, but I'm not. Let's go! So you want to go to the site by the name of Second Life. Now, this is the new trend right now, and I'm going to explain why, if you pay attention, why this is so popular here. A lot of people are going to this website and they're creating a second life. But what you don't realize, you can monetize this. This is why right now I'm at $4,000 right now, and I didn't spend any money. I'm not working harder to do this. Basically, I'm just following the steps like you're following here in this video right here, okay? So this is what I want to do. I'm going to show you something here, because you might say, well, Wesley, how do I know this is legit, that I'm actually going to make money? Listen, if you go to a site by the name of vidIQ, and if you type in Second Life, okay, let me show you something here. Second Life, right now it's trending. As a matter of fact, smash the like button if you want vidIQ. Go get this. It's free. It's a free tool. Don't pay for it. And what it does, it allows you to search key terms. This is what I do, okay, to make money online like you. Second Life, 241,000 people are searching this, and the competition is low. What does that mean? Ching, ching. Smash the like button, right? Bang it. That means that you have the opportunity to make money right now. Now, I know what you're thinking. Well, Wesley, what do I need to do to make the money here? This is what you need to do. You go to youtube.com. This is easy. And guess what? You don't need any followers. You don't need any subs. You don't need nothing. All you need to do is pay close attention here, okay? Now, listen, you want to type in the word entertainment. I'm going to go quick because this is just too simple here. Entertainment, and feel free to watch the video again if you miss out on anything. You type in entertainment because the site itself is in the entertainment niche, right? It's meant for you to enjoy yourself and have fun and make money in the process here. You're going to filters here. This is very simple, right? Then you go to channel, okay? Are you with me? Now listen, this is the most important step of the video here, so pay close attention here, because this is how you're going to make that $900 bucks online. This is how you're going to bring in the cash, okay, to your PayPal accounts. You want to find a channel that doesn't have a lot of subscribers, a small channel, okay, not large, small channels. Does that make sense? And when I say small, I mean super small, like this. See, that's 3,000 people right here. You want to look for very small channels here, okay? Are you guys with me here? Scroll down, scroll down, scroll down. Look at this. Our Darts Entertainment here, okay? So that's not getting a lot of engagement, so I don't want that. The thing is, you want a small channel with more engagement, okay? And I'm going to show you exactly what you do to start raking in the cash here. Hold on, let me hold my camera here. See this? Can everybody see this clearly here? Okay. All right, so look. What you want to do is find a small channel, okay? Let me blow this up a bit. Branding Entertainment Network. Let's click on here, okay? All right, so this is a pretty good channel that I want to utilize here, okay? Got some engagement, people uploading videos here. Now, the reason why you want small channels here, because you want to go to the about section right here, because you're basically going to reach out to these people, okay? Does that make sense? You're going to reach out to this channel, and I'm going to tell you exactly what you got to send them so you'll start making money on this website. And listen, I'm going to walk you step by step on what you have to do on this site. That's why you have to pay close attention and don't move too fast. Just relax, okay? I'm going to show you how to get a quick $900 to buy yourself a PlayStation, Xbox, whatever you want, okay? Listen, so I'm going to go back here, okay? And all I want to do is find more small channels here, okay? It's important. You want very small channels here. Here's another one here, okay? Let's click on it. Are you guys with me here? All right, so check it out. If you scroll down, great. Go to About section here. You see that? Now, look, view email address. So what you want to do is reach out to these people, okay? That's all you got to do. You got to reach out to these people, okay? Now, you got to keep watching to the very end. I'll tell you exactly what you're going to say and what you're going to do. As a matter of fact, since I love you, I'm going to give you a script that I know that works. It's the reason why I got over $4,000 so far from this site, okay? Listen, what you want to do on Second Life, you want to scroll down to the bottom, okay? You want to become what is called an affiliate here, okay? You see that affiliate program? Let me click there. Are you guys with me here? You see that? See that cute little chick there? You're going to click join today. That's all you have to do, because basically you're going to sign up as an affiliate. These people are going to pay you. You fill this information out right now. And once you get your link, okay, and once you get many of these small channels, what you're going to do is reach out to this guy. And let me give you the script that I use right now. I don't spend any money. I don't spend a lot of time. I do it from my bedroom because my bedroom is my office. And if this is what you want, let me show you. Look, boom, 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 boom. This is what you do when you reach out to that DM. This works. This is a powerful script. I'm giving it to you because I want you to make money online, because you need to make money online so you can leave your 9-to-5 job. Does that make sense? Comment below. I love your YouTube channel. Name the channel. But I notice it's fairly small. If you need some extra cash like I did, add this to your affiliate link, your channel, for some easy residual cash. You're welcome. Just spreading the love. When you reach out to these people, this is exactly what you copy and paste. Make sure you put their name of their channel right here. Everybody that have a small channel, they want to make money. Now, I know what you're thinking. Well, how do these people start to, why would they click on the link? Because what they're going to do is they're going to create videos for this, because you're going to show them when they reach out to you. You're going to say, hey, do you use vidIQ? You're going to say, what is vidIQ? You're going to take them to the site. Right now, vidIQ, based off the analytics here, let me log in. Give me a second. Based off the analytics, right now, Second Life is being searched on YouTube 200,000 times, which means is there's an opportunity for you to dominate that word. That means if they do a video on Second Life, right? Like today, anybody can do this. They can rank on YouTube, okay? When they rank, they get more views, they get monetized, they make money on autopilot. Does that make sense? Now listen, every time when you put your affiliate link that you're gonna get from the site itself, you're gonna get your affiliate link right here once you join today. You're gonna get paid 40 to 80 bucks, okay? You're gonna get paid 40 bucks. Look, if you scroll down here, you see this right here? It explains everything that you need. You get paid every single time right to your PayPal account over and over and over again. Does that make sense? That is simple. Here's the script. Make sure you screenshot that, okay? Screenshot that. You got it? Smash the like button if you have screenshotted that now, okay? And that's it. You do it over and over again. You just reach out to many people as humanly possible. Listen, I worked over $30 million, and I don't say that to impress you, but I say that to impress upon you that I'm still hungry for it. I want more. Why not? And that's how I want you to think. Understand that success, money, and wealth is a mindset. You can do this. Do it right now. It is free to join. Just join it. Get your affiliate link, right? Go to youtube.com. Type in entertainment, okay? Just in case you missed it here. Keep watching here, okay? Entertainment here. Find small internet entertainment websites, right? Go to channels. Find small ones. Reach out to all these people using the script. Reach out to 10 people, 100 people per day. When they click on your link and sign up, you make 40 bucks every single time. And that's the reason why I got over $4,000. Listen. If I gave you massive value, go ahead and smash that like button for me, okay? if I gave you massive value, go ahead and smash that like button right now. Look at me. You can do this. As a matter of fact, you must do this, okay? Don't let the naysayers of the internet, don't let negative people tell you that your dream is not possible. Me, I'm just a tool in the toolbox. I'm here to share the wealth with you, but it's up to you to take action and do it. Keep watching the YouTube videos, or I have a few more videos right here to watch to make more money, because it's all about residual income. This is Wesley, Billion